Welcome back, Griddle Cook Eat More. Today we're going to talk about something new. I started a hot dog business and I want you to come along on the journey. I created a new YouTube channel called Doug's Top Dogs. That's going to be the name of the business, and we're going to film it. Here we go. Here's the cart. This is where it's all going to start. We're going to be doing videos about the cart, cooking on it, creating things you got to do to start the hot dog business, cost, all that. We're just going to kind of cover it all. So if you're wanting to get in the hot dog business or interested in it, definitely something you want to check out. Not only that, once we get it up and running, we're going to be doing lives with it, doing POV cooking, taking you along for the ride, behind the scenes, all that good stuff. So Doug's Top Dogs is basically inspired and kind of done after my two dogs, Baxter and Maggie. Baxter's a Nova Scotia Duck-Tulin Retriever and Maggie's a Golden Retriever. So we're going to definitely have some Baxter and Maggie themed hot dog items on the menu. If you want to support me in this journey, go subscribe to Doug's Top Dogs. I'll have a link in the description. By the way, Griddle Cook Eat More is not going anywhere. We're going to keep continue doing the fun stuff there, but we're also going to have the hot dog channel. But that's it for this video. Just wanted to throw out a little intro on the Doug's Top Dogs. But catch you next time at Griddle Cook Eat More, and hope to see you at Doug's Top Dogs. I'm out.